Welcome to One Chemistry. Always do your best. Now let us see about 100 conversion in organic chemistry. We are seeing it as episode. This is the 31st episode. If you didn't watch previous episode, I encourage you to go and see. Here we solve 5 problems step by step. Stay tuned. Let us see the question number 1. The starting middle is 6-member ring where 1 and 3rd position bridged carbon is there. Bridged carbon 2 methyl groups are there and 3rd position 1 OH is below the ring. The reagents are tosyl chloride and tridine. They ask you to find the product. Here products are bicyclic system. The question is really about the position of OTS. So here you have to understand that skeletal changes occur and the position of dimethyl and OTS is in the product. The answer is B. Let us see how. The starting middle contain OH. We are using the tosyl chloride. Tosyl chloride attack the OH and form the tosylate. The tosylates are very good leaving group. But the bridged methylene group is anti to the leaving group, so it assists the leaving of OTS. So the ring position is changed. So the bond in the 4th position becomes the 3rd position. So we rewrite the system to very clean way. Both side 2 methylene groups and 1 bridged carbon. Then the attack of OTS will happen. OTS where it will be attacked. This is really the question. The attack can be the exo or endo. But exo position is very much crowded by the bridged methyl group because 2 methyl groups are there. So only the endo attack is possible. So the final product is the endo product. Here you have to learn 2 things. OH is the really a poor leaving group, but TS make it as a good leaving group and ring changes occur. Normally the thermodynamically the endo position is not favorable. Here only endo position is favorable due to the steric effect of the bridged methyl groups. Question number 2. Question number 2 contains the 4-member ring which is 1 carbonyl, 1 amine is there. Basically it's a cyclic amine. They ask you to find the reagent A and the product B. The other reagent they are using is bromocyanide. Here the reagents are lithium hydride and sodium borohydride and hydrogen and palladium carbon. The products are open ring as well as closed ring. Here you have to really understand that the question is about what is the nucleophile, whether Cn- or Br- or ring opened or not. Here answer is A. Let us see how. The ring is there. Here you have to use lithium hydride to reduce the CO bond. So the CO bond is reduced. CO becomes CH2 there. So the ring is become the cyclic ring with 1 nitrogen atom. Then you are attacking with bromocyanide. Here very important thing, because nitrogen is the nucleophile here, it attacks the electropositive carbon because the both side the carbon electron withdrawing groups are there, nitrogen and bromines are withdrawing the charges. So nitrogen attacks the carbon. The final product is cyanide with bromine leaves there. The bromine again can attack the system. Why? Because it's a strained system, so bromine can attack and open the ring. So it's a backside attack, the ring will be opened and bromine is in the end of the chain. So cyanide at one end, bromine at other end. But cyanide is directly connected to the nitrogen here. So the product is definitely A. Here you have to learn 2 things. Sodium borohydride we cannot use it because it's a mild reducing agent. It will only reduce CO to alcohol. So it is not useful in here. We cannot use platinum and hydrogen because it only reduces a double bond. But here we have carbonyl bond. Then the question number 3. The question number 3 contains cyclohexanone. The reagents are bromine substrate methoxide and phosphine ethoxide and the solvent DMA. Here another step, the reagents are sodium hydride and DMF and the acid hydrolysis. Here they ask you to find the product. The question is really about what happened to the reaction after the reagents are attacked. Whether ring is formed or new carbon is added or reduction happened. The answer is C. Let us see how. Starting middle is a cyclohexanone, bromine substituted methoxide. So the hydrogen will be the acidic one, so it can be removed and it can attack the carbon there. So the addition reaction occur, the attack on the carbon occurs there. So O minus forms. So O minus attacks the carbon and bromine leaves. So the cyclic 3-member ring is formed. So the bromine elimination and ring formation occur at the same step. So 3-member ring is formed. Then we are using the H plus. Here for clarity I given us 2 steps. You can write as 1 step also. So the H plus attacks, the ring will be opened. The ring will be opened and carbon possesses the positive charge and OH in the ring. The positive charge and OH are near to each other. So the positive charge can be quenched by the loss of hydrogen there. So the loss of hydrogen is occurred. The carbonyl compound is formed. Here you have to know the reagent itself having a leaving group as well as the new carbon-carbon bond formation. If the ring strain is there, reaction always open it. So the final product is clearly aldehyde. The answer is C. Then the question number 4. Starting middle is fluorobromobenzene and furan also there. Here they ask you to find the product. The products are just a coupling reaction or fusion reaction or bromine eliminates or iodine eliminates, chlorine eliminates. Here the question is really about how the bromine is removed, new CC bond forms and one naming reaction is involved here. The answer is C. Let us see how. In the benzene ring, fluorine and bromine are there. Then you are using the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent cannot form with fluorine because fluorine forms the strong bond. So the Grignard reagent form with bromine. So the benzyl magnesium bromide will be formed. Then the charge has to be quenched. So the fluorine and the ring system has to be closed there. So the triple bond is formed, which is the benzene. So the unusual combination here, the benzene is formed by removing the fluorine there. So the double bond is there and you have conjugated double bond in the furan. So 4 plus 2 cycloaddition is possible. So 4 plus cycloaddition forms and the C product is formed here. Here you have to note 2 things. One is the selectivity of Grignard reagent. It only forms with bromine, not with fluorine because of strong bond formation. Then the fluorine can be a leaving group. There is a vibrant charge there. So benzene is formed as the intermediate here. Then the question number 5. The starting middle is toluene and attached with O substitution. Here the reagents are butyl lithium, carbon dioxide and the acid hydrolysis. Here they ask you to find the product. The products are only differ in the COOH position. So the question is really about where the COOH is attached. The answer is C. Let us see how. The starting metal, you have the complicated system. There are 2 oxygen is there. So the structure is really given to have the possibility of ortholithiation. The ortholithiation is a concept where new kind of 6-member transition system is possible if anchoring group with lone pair. The lone pair mean oxygen or nitrogen is there. So anchoring is formed there. So lithium is anchored with O, the lone pair in the O. So the 6-member ring is formed. So the negative charge only form in the ortho position. Then the negative charge attacks COO2. COO2 become carboxylate there. Then after the H plus attack, it become carboxylic acid. So the product is clearly C. Here you have to learn 2 things. One is the ortholithiation possible if there is an anchoring group like oxygen. Then the ortholithiation leads to the carboxylate formation by CO2 attack. That's all from this episode. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below. Stay tuned for next episode.